In this video, I'd like to show you how to link your Instagram account to your Facebook account. So then when you share videos and photos on your Instagram, it will auto share them to Facebook as well. When we are trying to create content as businesses, I found that it's pretty hard to stay on top of all of the accounts, and sometimes when you can do a little automation, it goes a long way. So, excuse this, it's a little cringy, but you know, it's bound to happen. Oh, there you go. I am going to, since I'm already linked with my business account, we are going to link my clay crafting Instagram page with my new clay crafting Facebook page that I just created specifically for this. All right, so we're going to go up to this 3 lines. Then we are going to click the gear settings. We are going to click account. We are going to click link accounts. And right here, so it's auto grabbing that I am Katie Curtis. So we're going to connect to Facebook. But we don't want to end there. Yep, we'll start sharing because we don't want it to post to my personal page. And we are going to click Princess Katie's Ponies. Now this will share it to my Facebook business page and not to my profile. Okay, we're gonna go back, showcasing Princess Katie's Ponies, and see how it right here, share your story to Facebook. So this means that I can post through my story and share your posts. Ta-da! That was it! I will see you later, and feel free to follow me as Princess Katie's Ponies on either Facebook or Instagram, as well as, you know, Inspired Video Marketing and all that. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, good luck. Bye!